Dave is the CTO of Smartosis. Smartosis's fintech platform deals with sensitive customer data like banking credentials and personal details. Therefore, data privacy is a serious concern for the platform. However, as Smartosis is expanding in multiple countries, they are overwhelmed by the complexity of different data privacy laws. Dave and his team realized they needed to integrate innovative features with the platform to comply with country-specific data privacy laws. The question was, who can help them with the right expertise to add such features? Dave recently attended a webinar on building digital ecosystems by ZYMR. Impressed by ZYMR's knowledge of the latest tools and technologies, he set up a meeting to seek help. Dave found ZYMR's domain understanding of compliance management in fintech remarkable. ZYMR's well-defined practices in AI/ML technologies like natural language processing, NLP, and predictive analytics ultimately sealed the deal for Smartosis's executives. After a deep analysis of Smartosis's platform, ZYMR's AI/ML experts collaborated with Dave's team to prepare a customized NLP-based AI/ML model to integrate text summarization and keyword extraction into the platform. These features and predictive analytics enabled the Smartosis platform to analyze, summarize, and prepare for the various data privacy compliance requirements. Dave was glad that Smartosis's fintech platform was compliance-ready for multi-country data privacy laws. If you too wish for innovative legal compliance management with AI/ML-based features and solutions, contact our AI/ML experts today.